Hello, I've been requested to play Flood Time again and again, a few times, so here it is. Okay, so I've done the first 8 bars, the next 8 bars, and then this bit's quite difficult. I was playing from memory and got lost, is my excuse. Right, so that's the difficult bit, so I have to go over those few bars, the 6 bars, 7 bars in the middle, because obviously I know the first page very well, and that's how you practice, go in little chunks. So, is this a performance or is it a practice? It's a practice, so I'll go from loud. I don't know why I get so nervous when I'm recording myself, but there you go. I've realised I'm wearing the wrong glasses as well. Any excuse, that'll do.